Thank you. Have a seat.
We're here for a case with Tim Gibbs.
If you don't mind, I'd like to call a name, just to meet me outside.
Yeah. Mark Land. Mr. Land, if you're in the courtroom, meet me outside.
Yeah.
That's for Marty. Yeah.
Mr. Gilbert. Is he here? Stewart, Brad Stewart.
Your Honor, he was sick and he left. He was asking another attorney to cover for him. I think Mr. Gilbert, because he had a fever.
Cheryl Gooden. Larissa Dudley. Miss Dudley is always here, ready to go and prepared.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
The first case I have is Nathan Barnhill, 23 CF 1779. We have filed a motion to dismiss. We would ask for a continuance to the 624 pretrial. No objection.
All right, 624.
Next one I have is Joe Fernandez in 23 CF 1605. I'll come back to him. He's an inmate, Your Honor. I have Chase Glover in 22 CF 1170. We are still waiting on FDLE, so we can file a motion. I would ask to continue that to the June 24th docket.
No objection.
All right, June 24th.
Let's see, out of custody. I have Willie Harrison in 24 CF 232. We ask for a continuance to the June 24th docket.
No objection.
June 24th.
Next one I have is Matthew Hoover in 23 CF 1720. We do have depot set this week. I would ask for continuance to the next cycle, and I expect to try it next time.
No objection.
On June 24th, Your Honor.
June 24th.
You got inmates? Yeah. This is Joe Fernandez in 23 CF 1605. I would ask for continuance to the next pretrial. He also has some cases with the public defender.
What was that?
Ask for
Pretrial?
continuance to the next pretrial, Your Honor. 624.
All right, June 24th,
Thank you, Your Honor. Got Javon Harris. Your Honor, this is Mr. Harrison, 2012 CF 1490. His new law case is already set on the June 24th docket, so we can track this on the same date.
All right, June 24th.
Yep. Your Honor, this is Mr. McGee in 24 CF 376. He has another case that is already set on a June pretrial, which is 24 CF 669. We could continue this case to that same date as well, June 24th.
All right, June 24th.
In the next case, it's Tashawn Morris in 22 CF 1436, 23 CF 2394, 23 CF 2. Oh, that's on it twice. 22 CF 1436. Your Honor, I have filed a motion to reinstate bond and reduce bond. Mr. Morris is on probation. He was arrested for trafficking. In the trafficking case, after we did depositions, the officer stated that he never saw Mr. Morris driving the car. That was the basis for it was a traffic stop. He said he never saw Mr. Morris driving the car, him or the other officer. Mr. Morris was standing in a yard when he pulled up. He then cuffed Mr. Morris and detained him. Based on that, which is why I filed the second motion to set bond in this case. If I believe it's an illegal detention, as he didn't see Mr. Morris commit any crime, we would ask that he be given a bond on his VOP and a reduction in bond on the trafficking charge.
He was arrested on a new charge of trafficking?
He was arrested on trafficking based on that traffic stop. And that's the basis for the violation.
And what?
That's the basis for the violation of probation.
Well, what does the state say?
Your Honor, the state says that there is no change in circumstances since last time this court denied bond reduction and or setting a bond. The defendant scores a minimum of 54 months, is facing a 7 years minimum mandatory. Is the state's contention that the defendant made statements at the time of the arrest, and I think that the bond is appropriate the way it is. He's on probation and he's not entitled to a bond.
Well, maybe it'll all work out for him. I'm going to just leave everything the way it is, the VOP. Thank you.